Is this the most legendary lens ever? Canon EF 50mm f1.4 USM. Still worth it in 2025? Let's be honest, you ever feel like your gear's holding you hostage? You frame the shot. The light is perfect. The mood? Cinematic gold. But your lens? It's ghosting harder than your ex. Grainy night shots, muddy bokeh, missed focus, you're spending more time fixing things in post than capturing the magic in the moment. Whether you're a hobbyist stuck on kit lenses or a pro drowning in glass that doesn't deliver, the frustration is real. You know you're capable of more, but your lens is busy saying meh. Tired of wasting golden hour on garbage takes? Yeah, same. Now multiply that frustration by 10 when the pressure hits. You've got tight turnarounds, impatient clients, low-light chaos, and zero time for tech tantrums. Your images aren't bad, but they're not portfolio-worthy either. The sharpness isn't biting, the colors feel soft, and don't even start with those low-light misses. You scroll through your feed watching amateurs drop banger portraits with a blurry background so smooth it looks painted. Meanwhile, you're stuck with flat, noisy nonsense and asking yourself, is it me, or my gear? Spoiler, it's not you, it's that sluggish, underachieving lens on your rig. That's where the Canon EF 50mm f1.4 USM slides in like the plot twist you didn't know you needed. This isn't just a lens, it's a low-light assassin, a creamy bokeh boss, and a sharpness sniper all rolled into one. We're talking lightning-fast autofocus with that whisper-silent USM motor, f1.4 aperture that sucks in light like a black hole, and optics that kiss away chromatic aberration like it never existed. And the best part? It fits in your palm and your pocket. It's that secret weapon pros don't always brag about, but always keep in the bag. It's fast. It's fierce. It's classic. So what's in it for you? Gorgeous portraits with dreamy depth. Crisp street shots after sundown. That oh-so-tasty shallow depth of field that turns boring into cinematic. This lens is the daily driver, ideal for travel, weddings, candids, content creation, you name it. Whether you're just getting serious or you're deep in the game, the 50mm f1.4 gives you full-time manual focus, pro-level image quality, and the confidence to shoot in any light. Thousands of creators swear by it, and once you try it, you'll understand why. Curious? You should be. Scroll down, check out the specs, and see why this thing has cult status. Here's the kicker. Lenses this good don't stay on shelves long, especially not at this price. Whether you're leveling up from a kit lens or finally investing in a piece of gear that actually delivers, this is your moment. Don't wait for your next shoot to fall flat. Join the thousands who already made the switch and watch your shots glow with clarity and soul. Add it to your cart, toss it in your camera bag, and get ready to shoot like a pro, feel like a genius, and look like a legend. Canon EF 50mm f1.4 USM, click it, claim it, and never miss magic again.